In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your working hours in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find this setting and how to turn it on so your availability is clear to coworkers, clients, and anyone who sends you meeting invites. This is especially helpful if you want Google Calendar to automatically flag times outside your day as unavailable, reducing back and forth and protecting your focus time. First, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your Google account to access your calendar. You can do this on any modern browser. For the smoothest experience, I recommend using a desktop or laptop, so the full settings menu is easy to see. Once your calendar loads, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. That opens a small menu. Choose Settings from that menu to open the full settings view. If you don't see the gear, make sure your window is maximized or try refreshing the page. In the Settings panel, glance down the left-hand sidebar and select Working Hours and Location. This section controls when you're available for meetings and helps Google warn others when they try to book you outside those times. It's also where you'll see location options, though today we're focusing only on working hours. At the top of the page, turn on Enable Working Hours. Once enabled, you'll see options to set your start and end times. Click the start time, choose what fits your schedule, say 8 o'clock a.m., and then set your end time, like 5 o'clock p.m. You can type times or pick them from the drop-down. If you use a 24-hour clock, Google will follow your account's time format automatically. As you set these hours, keep in mind they're tied to your Google Calendar time zone. If you travel or collaborate across regions, this helps others understand when you're likely online. These hours aren't a hard block. You can still create events outside them. But when someone sends you an invitation, Google will highlight that it falls beyond your working hours so they can pick a better slot. There's no separate save button here. Your changes apply immediately. That means as soon as you enable working hours and choose your start and end times, your calendar reflects your availability going forward. If your schedule changes, just come back to this same place and adjust the times. Keeping these hours accurate is an easy way to protect your day and make scheduling smoother for everyone,